Now that you have successfully logged in, created your username and password with the e-coaching platform powered by Podia, you can go ahead and start the course. So you should be on the screen that says Success. You've now got access to Access Online 2020 Beta. Click Start Course. It will then pull up all the different individual courses that you have access to. Although they're named products, just go ahead and understand that they're individual courses. So you'll see Build a Resume That Raves, Level Up Together, Introducing Access Online, Mindset Mastery, Performance Ready Personal Statement, Receive a Recommendation Letter That Shines, Reclaiming Your Time, Successfully Slay Your Interviews, Track Your Way to College Success. You're also going to see the Access Online Success Guide for participants and youth opportunity partners. We'll talk about that in the next video. Go ahead and start with the first course called Level Up Together, Introducing Access Online. We always recommend you start with that one because it familiarizes yourself with the platform as well as what you're going to need to know for the remaining courses. Click Start Course. You'll see that it has the table of contents in the left-hand panel with the different elements of the course and other aspects that you want to complete. If you've ever gotten into a course where you've watched it before, you'll see the notification that says, it looks like you've watched part of this video before. You can always watch from the beginning or skip to where you left off. That's it. Start with this course, and once you're done, you can feel free to follow the remaining courses in the suggested timeline included in the success guide or in whatever order that makes sense for you given the